Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, Happy New Year. I'm in Carn Brea today. There's a huge monument here. It's been here since 1876. It's 90 foot tall. It's a tribute to a guy that was part of a large mining wealthy family. It's literally 5 minutes drive from our house. We've been waiting for a nice day so I can come up with the drone and get some really good aerial shots. There is a small car park at the top which puts you pretty close to the monument, but we got there and everybody was fighting for spaces. So I had to go back and park right down the bottom. Okay, so here's the path that you get onto to get up to the monument. And this is the view. You can literally see this from anywhere when you're driving down through Cornwall on the A30. Becca's happy today, she's got her new Jules wellies on. Modelling the Jules wellies. So here it is. That's the entrance. It's been padlocked up for years. It sounds like it's full of pigeons now. Oh, there's one. Scared the absolute crap out of me. Yeah, you can see some entrances left and right, but not sure where they'd lead to. It's a big old padlock, so we're not getting in. Right, we're going to make our way down in this direction. There's a secret lake. Well, it's probably not secret to any locals, but I'm not sure if it's private land or whether you can go and have a look. We'll see. We'll see if there's any fencing up. So we found this secret lake. Used to be a lot more grown over than this, whether it's all died because it's winter or not. So yeah, that's the secret lake. Probably not that secret, to be fair. How are the Jules wellies holding up? Good. You enjoying yourself? Feet comfy? Yeah. Let's have a look.
Jules top and my Jules coat.
Becca's looking for sponsorship. How the hell did these rocks get like that? It's weird to think about, isn't it? Was it Cornish giants? Was it pixies?
Was it aliens?
Was it the pasty man? There's the A30 bridge there. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. Yes, we can. gonna head over and check out Carn Brea Castle now, which is an a la carte restaurant. Never been there myself, but I've heard it's really good. It's been broken into twice in like the past 2 months. The last time somebody stole something stupid like an aubergine. Crazy world we live in now. Right, we've just found the menu in the window. They got fillet steak,
Rich whiskey sauce.
one restaurant's rib, and we're gonna have to come and try this place. So I just did a bit of Googling on the castle itself. Originally the castle was built in 1379 and it was a chapel to St Michael, and then in 1790 it was converted into a castle for the Bassett family, who once owned the Tahiti estate, which is Tahiti estate's a couple of miles away from here, it's not too far. There's a big woods there, it's a really nice place for a little picnic and going to feed the ducks. Right guys, I'm going to end this vlog now. Thanks for watching, Happy New Year. Hopefully I'll be able to get out and do some more regular videos. So make sure you subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment below if you've got any ideas on any videos you want me to make, any places you want me to visit, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.